Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. This is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create stories on TikTok. So guys, this is very quick and easy, so let's get started. The first step to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen like you normally do when you want to upload your regular videos. So after doing that, you can now choose to record a new video or upload a video from your device. So I'm just going to click to upload a video from my device, and if I do that, I'll click on next. Now if you look at the bottom of your screen, you find this option to post to story at the bottom. So before you want to do that, then you can choose to add text, stickers, effects, or filters to these video, and then you can now go ahead and click on post to story. And if you do that, your video is going to be posted to your story. And that is how you can simply create stories on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.